The Origami Bird Friendship Story. It was morning in the third grade classroom during recess. Two children, Sinta and Gladys, chose to stay inside. They looked like they were making origami birds. Wow, Sinta, your origami paper bird is so beautiful. Mine is messy and all mixed up, praised Gladys. Oh, no Gladys, it's nothing special. Your origami paper bird is good too, really. Gladys and Sinta felt hungry, so they went out of the classroom to the canteen. They left their paper origami birds on the decks. Kenan walked into the classroom and saw the paper origami birds lying on Gladys and Sinta's decks. Wow! Whose is this? It's so pretty. I wanted to take it for myself. Kenan took the paper origami bird that belonged to Sinta. Gladys and Sinta come back into the class, holding snacks in their hands. Sinta was so surprised because the paper origami bird she worked hard to make was gone. Where is the paper bird that I made with so much effort? Sinta said, shaking. She started to cry. Gladys put her arm around Sinta to comfort her. I'm going to make it again, said Sinta, as she started shaping her origami paper. Seeing that from a distance, Kenan felt bad because she had secretly taken Sinta's paper bird. Kenan appreciated Sinta and admitted her mistake. Here, Sinta. I'm sorry I took your paper bird because your paper bird is so pretty. At first, I thought this paper bird didn't belong to anyone because it was just lying on the decks. Sinta was touched by Kenan's words. Kenan was so brave to admit her mistake. Kenan, thank you for being honest. I really appreciate it. As a thank you, this paper bird is for you. I gift you. Or if you want, we can make another one together. Sinta smiled. Hearing that, Kenan quickly hugged Sinta. Sure. I can't believe it, Sinta. Thank you very much. The three of them, Sinta, Kenan, and Gladys, started making origami paper birds together again. And now, they were all friends.